I wanna live forever. Maybe I don't wanna fuck you. the actuator is going to live in the middle. This is made to measure this, especially made for me. This is going to come out slightly when I open the power, and I'm going to put the pin here and a drill a hole through there. So that's where that's going to go, and that's going to screw to a plate at the back, not to the wall because it's only cheap ply. So it's going to have a plate at the back of those two bits of wood, so they've got to come back up, and then that should operate with a remote control, hopefully. There somewhere. I fitted a bracket on there. I'm just going to put the actuator bracket to that. Right, that's going to fit on there, hopefully. Right, Ted's making sure I do a good job. So that's the bracket fitted. It needs a substantial fitting because if it's going to push it out and pull it in, you'll need something pretty tough. See that bracket over there? That's going to take this thing here so I can put the pin in after, and it can be removed just by pulling the pins out. So I'm just going to fix this one now. I've got down there. So that's going to go here. Take two. I've already recessed this area here, ready to take the actual bracket, and that'll fit in there like that. But I need to put the pin in there first because you can't put it in there after. But it's no problem to get out because you only got to undo 2 screws either side and that come out. I got the bracket on the end. I'll screw that into the wood frame with a bolt, and this one this side sits there. So it will fit in. It will fit in that hole there. I'm just going to screw some screws in here and there. You can get so that's in place now. All I need to do is put the screws in, and there we go. The only thing is, if I attach that actuator, I'm not going to open these bars anymore. So that's connected now, as you see, with a split pin in there. Lift that up. So that's both. Lift that up. I won't put a split pin in because I won't be able to open it yet till the power's on. Right, I'm just in the process of removing this. I need to remove this one and that one so I can get my hand in there too. One here. These are actually trip switches, so when instead of fuses, these will pop out and then you just press them to reset it, but obviously make sure if they do come out, obviously there's a volt. So I'm going to plug it into, this is the power in, that's your power in, 2 power in, one for this set, one for this set. This is your power in, these two here. One goes for these set of switches and one goes for that set of switches. And each one of these are power. So whatever you plug into these, and there's 2 empty ones here that you can see that. All the rest are full. So I'm going to be plugging into this one here, which is 7 amp. I'm not going to argue with 1 amp. I would really want 6 amp. So we'll plug there into this, but I can't hold it up. And then I'll put the control unit back. That's the 2 control panels taken out. This is just live feed out, and obviously 2 live feed coming in, these 2 big thick ones here, and these are all lives coming out off the switches. I mean, if you see the black wires there, that's all the negative wires, and those are just the positive. So whenever you connect anything on the boat and there's a switch free, in my case this one here, you can see there's nothing plugged in there. There's a wire there, obviously. That's the power to the switch, and then you just take power from the switch. So when you switch the switch, it'll give you power from there to whatever you want to feed on the 12 volt, and then you just obviously wire your red wire in there, and then this black wire goes to your junction box over there, which I'm going to now fit this end onto there so I can put all the negatives together. So that's the end done. Just need to connect it now. Well, this is the remote control unit. This is hidden away behind the control box. So just to recap on this wiring diagram. Note, the brown wire from the control unit goes to the fuse board. The blue wire goes to the earth block. The red and black wire on the remote control unit then goes to the actuator to the red and black wire. And that's all you do. Well, that's it for this video. In the next one, I will show how to adjust the actuator arm length by adjusting the extended limiter switch. Join me then. Thanks for watching.